Welcome to the Secret Chef. It's me, Chef Gazpacho. We make a beautiful recipe today that will make your mama so proud. Here is the name of today's dish. Now to make this recipe, I need the finest ingredients. Only the best for Chef Gazpacho and his mama. Let's take a look at what we're gonna use. Ooh, those look tasty. Now it's time to make the recipe. These doughs are very fast, so mix them all up and into the oven they go. Ta-da! Oh no, Mama's gonna be mad. Maybe you can help. I know Mama said to use these two foods. You try to find out number 3. I hope you enjoy my little show. Remember, keep cooking.
The Secret Chef was brought to you by